Looking for the best shipping label printer? A good label printer makes packaging and shipping quicker and easier. It prints clear labels, works with many devices, and helps save time. Whether you own a small businesses or shipping packages often, these printers are great choice. After watching the video, check the link in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Null-to-Next Thermal Shipping Label Printer. The Null-to-Next Thermal Shipping Label Printer is a great choice for small businesses and anyone who ship packages regularly. It supports label sizes from 1.57 to 4.3 inches, including common sizes like 4x6 and 3x2. It works with Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, and Chromebook. You can connect by USB or Bluetooth, although Mac and Chromebook users need to use a USB cable. Setup is quick and easy with its plug and play design and the Flash Label app. It also works well with popular selling platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. If you need help, customer support is available by phone, email, and live chat. Overall, it's an easy to use printer that saves time and prints reliable shipping labels. Number 2. Rollo USB Shipping Label Printer. The Rollo USB Shipping Label Printer is a favorite among online sellers because it is fast, reliable, and affordable to use. Since it uses direct thermal printing, you never have to buy ink or toner. It prints at a speed of up to 150 mm per second, creating a clear 4x6 shipping label in about 1 second with 203 dpi print quality. It works with Windows and Mac through a USB connection and is simple to set up. The Rollo Ship app offers discounted shipping rates and works with platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify. It supports label sizes from 1.57 to 4.1 inches, making it useful for shipping labels, barcodes, QR codes, and custom stickers. It's a smart choice for small and growing businesses. Number 3. Nalco Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer. The Nalco Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer gives you both wireless and wire printing options. It connects to iPhone and Android through the Nalco app, while Windows user can also print wirelessly. Mac and Chromebook users can print using a USB cable. It supports label sizes from 1.54 to 4.1 inches, including 4x6 shipping labels, barcode labels, and more. Its small size makes it perfect for home offices or small workspaces. It works with both roll and fan fold labels, and setup is simple with plug and play installation and helpful video guides. It's a good option for online sellers, stores, and home offices. Number 4. Pedolo Shipping Label Printer. The Pedolo Shipping Label Printer is fast, reliable, and easy to use. It supports both Bluetooth and USB connection and works with iPhone, Android, Windows, Mac, and Chromebook. Chromebook users only need a simple extension to get started. It prints labels from 1.57 to 4.1 inches wide and works with Amazon, UPS, FedEx, Shopify, and many other shipping services. Its high-quality 203 dpi print head produces clear labels at speed of up to 150 mm per second, printing as many as 72 labels each minute. Built to last, it can print over 500,000 labels. It also includes automatic label detection and a paper-saving system that helps prevent jams and wastage labels. It's a great choice for busy home offices and small businesses. Number 5. Swento Bluetooth Shipping Label Printer. The Swento Bluetooth Shipping Label Printer is fast, easy to use, and works with many devices. It uses direct thermal printing, so you don't need ink or toner, helping you save money over time. It prints at speed of up to 180 mm per second, producing as many as 72 labels per minute. It supports label sizes from 1.57 to 4.3 inches, making it ideal for shipping labels, barcodes, and product stickers. Bluetooth works with iPhone and Android, while Windows and Mac connect through USB. It also works with popular shipping platforms like USPS, UPS, Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and Etsy. With clear 203 dpi printing and dependable performance, the Swento is an excellent choice for anyone who ships packages regularly. Thanks for watching. Check the links below for current pricing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more videos.